Nattawut Arunyanakosat, a scholar for Development and Promotion of Science and Technology Talents Project Thailand. I am pleased to present Earthquake Damage Report Interactive Dashboard for VSUP Challenge 2019 Mini Challenge 1. In this challenge, we have imaginary situation of earthquakes hitting city. In the city, the residents have a mobile application that can report the shake intensity and the damage around them. The city's emergency responders want to use this information to find where to help first, and they should make the decisions with degree of certainty. We had over 80,000 reports from the citizens over 5 days. We model the reports over time with Bayesian structural time series by using our VSTS package, running it on Google Cloud platform. From the time series model, we got a posterior distribution of rating means. Then we calculated the maximum a posteriori, or MAP, and in this case, MAP is the most likely mean estimate. We also have credible intervals and their ranges. We are using them as uncertainty measurement on the dashboard. The MAP and its uncertainty are encoded by colors from Value Suppressing Uncertainty Palette, or VSUP. When the maps are more certain, the colors become more distinct. We have fewer colors when the data is uncertain. Now, I'm going to walk you through the dashboard. On the top panel to the right, we have the graded error bar chart that shows the maps and credible intervals at every time point. The maps and the uncertainties are encoded by VSUP. We can select the category by the option above. On the map, the same circle clips from the error bar chart are placed partially on the map, and the colors are filled accordingly. We can move the time on the timeline. We can choose to play or pause the timeline. We have several options to display elements on the map. First of all, we can display all the categories. We can highlight the selected neighborhood. We can show the neighborhood names, or we can show the hospital and nuclear power plant. We can select how we want to sort the error bar chart and the color that we want to use. Now we move on to the bottom panel. This part displays the data from the selected neighborhood. The heat map, by using colors, show the maximum values of hourly aggregated map and its respective 95% credible interval ranges. We can zoom into a specific period of time and show the progression of map values and certainties by the line charts below. We can see the raw reports from the citizen and how the reports inform Bayesian structural time series model. For example, before the quake, we have fewer reports, so the values were uncertain. Immediately after the quake, we have more reports. The model becomes significantly more certain. Then, as we receive the rest report, the credible intervals spread out again. This project wouldn't have been possible without these tools and the great people behind them. You may find a live dashboard on the links there. The project is open source and hosted on GitHub. The submission answer along with further details can be found at the link. Thank you for your attention.